so excited. I've got to look.
Mum, can I go give Monty his?
We'll give Monty his shortly, darling. We'll just do everyone else's first and we can take Monty his service sack.
Oh, I don't have to make Rocky Road.
Rocky Road.
And Mum, a fishing book.
Take a fishing book.
Sure.
Well, that's pretty good timing to get a fishing book when you've got a boat, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, Mum, this is the place where you put them.
There's a must have known something.
Oh, I wish it was. It holds up the
Wow.
tent.
Alright, sit down again. You've still got a couple more to go.
Oh, look, there's a Lucinda.
Oh, is it? Holy Julie, we're running out of space for all of us to fit. Okay, you ready? Put one there.
Mr. Fatty. Shoot her.
Whoa.
That's awesome. For both of you.
Here you go.
That's the same for both of you by the looks.
Yes, a volleyball.
What is it? I can't even see.
Aussie ball.
A ball! Is it a
Wahoo
pool
soccer ball.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a wahoo, so it's in the pool. Yay!
Oh, Puppy will be happy it's
That's what
soccer,
we
not
needed,
that other
wasn't
show.
it? Thanks, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
knows what we need, doesn't he?
Yup. Mum, he has a million minds.
He does.
Could he
I told you he sees and hears everything, so he knows we've been out there struggling with the balls, doesn't he? Alright, sit down again.
I like how we got it, my blue handle I wish for.
Yeah, I saw that. It's only got a yellow one. This one is from Uncle Mark and Uncle again.
How many are there?
Oh, I don't know, but I think I can still see a couple in the tree.
Yeah, so can I.
Oh, yes, enough! What? No, how many nerf guns are we getting?
How many nerf guns have you got? What's that one? Is that a water soaker as well?
Yeah.
Now we can have a big,
Excellent. Now we've
big
got
fight with them.
Yeah.
Enough for one each.
Water
good
war.
thinking, Uncle Mark. We'll be able to have a war, a water war. Alright, sit one over there on your side, Bailey, and one over here with Cody's bits and pieces.
We've
Sit
got a
down.
lot.
Just all that paper.
Pass this to Mum.
No.
Your places.
Oh, what else have we
What
got?
about Mama? You're going to give Mama her big one.
Oh, I
the
know.
blue one. Or...
Yeah, well, there's two there. There's one each for you to give her, the blue one and the big one.
Is the big one really mine? No, not that one, darling.
This one.
This big.
Is that mine?
I'll take it.
The big single one mine? Holy Julie.
I believe that this is from Dad.
Oh my goodness.
Where's the blue one? That
Holy
Mine.
Julie. Look at
Over
my
there,
big
Bailey.
present. Oh, I've got so much stuff here I can't even put mine
And the
down.
blue one, baby, in the tree.
It's very heavy.
No, that one. The one that we've won to do
Back
it
down
for.
over there, folks. Back to this stuff. Oh. Oh, wow. I've got 2 layers.
yeah.
What is that?
It's like a pass the parcel.
But you get the ultimate one.
Oh, dear.
That's 3 layers.
It wasn't like they did not.
What the heck even is that?
It's plastic over the top.
How good did Dad need to do it?
Super good.
He was practicing more for a shot.
So, Mama.
One,
Yeah,
two.
hold this time up. Thank you.
But Dad was practicing for a shot.
Don't cut it.
So,
It's like glass. Well, there's a black box underneath it.
is that more of the pass the parcel?
No.
You don't think so?
It's not. It looks like a bottle or something.
Can't look into it.
What is it?
Oh,
soundstick.
And what did that do?
What do you think, Bailey?
Wow, thank you. We're going to hook that up, aren't we?
Oh, then everything will be loud.
Everything's going to be loud. Look out now. Whoops.
What's that?
It's going to be loud. Thanks, Dad. That is super
No,
cool.
Dad, don't.
Sorry, Christmas is finished now. I'm going to play with my new toy.
No.
Christmas is not finished yet.
Well, that is
There's still 2 on the tree. You've got to still open your other
As
presents.
well?
Yeah, and there are 2 huge ones at the back.
2 huge ones at the back. Is that
For us, I think.
there for you?
I think.
You just think there for you.
Is that from the computer? Or the sound stick?
Yeah. Well, I think.
Mum, it's past the parcel again.
It must be fragile.
Oh,
Nice.
thanks, Dad. Got me some of his cool thongs like that for my sore feet. Thank you.
Mum, can I feel them? Yeah, that's good, Mum. They're soft.
They're soft. Oh,
Bailey?
Oh,
Didn't you just pass them over to Grandma? Mummy's sons? Thank you.
Right.
Bring that in.
Back to us. We've got 2.
Yeah, yeah. What
All
Brenda
right,
is.
just let me
I hope
slide out
they're
of frame
for us.
for a minute. Oh, I struggle to just get
Yeah,
out.
it's just
I
that,
hope the giant ones are for us.
awful
Okay,
here.
Mum.
Hopefully
Would you prefer if I would just get up and do it?
Phones.
Oh, well, maybe, yeah.
Yeah, see.
I'd like to carry it.
Bring a few out, Cody.
I love,
Pardon, Dad?
Bring a few out.
Okay.
I love having swap for once. Cody, yeah, bring another
Here's
stone.
another. And then around. Oh, here it is.
Put that over that way.
And you get that. Open them.
Put it down.
Definitely hope I was out of frame with that.
Huh?
What's this?
What is it?
Dinosaur eggs or something?
It's a rotten egg with ooze inside.
Oh, good one, Uncle Mark.
Right, Uncle Mark.
What is it?
What?
Rotten egg gas with ooze.
I just didn't see these two.
You put them back for us?
Break it!
Can you put them back for us? Thank
I would get this. I'm gonna rip this.
That's right, we got another one of those each.
You don't have that? No.
Whoa.
Seriously?
Sit down on your bottom.
Don't crack them, okay?
Just put it down in a
Because there
pile
is
there.
really something inside of
Are you putting it in
Coach, there's
Bailey's
another
pile
one here
now?
too, mate. What's that you haven't even opened?
Bailey.
2 stink bombs.
Hot Wheels.
Oh, another Hot Wheels. Oh.
Ooh, I like this car. Look, I have two cars. Vroom, vroom.
No, put over here on yours.
Vroom.
Stay where you are, just hand it
Oh,
on
I
here.
put my car over with.
When's an half and half?
Alright,
Never
we're
know.
just about there.
Cody, move that green egg. Why?
That belongs over here on yours, doesn't it?
It's a egg in danger.
Hey, look.
Train's coming.
How do you know what to
Can
do?
I open this stuff?
No, you can't.
No,
Never mind, it just...
Oh, the trash carts.
Oh, they can't. Thank goodness. So they hopefully don't knock
Well,
this
I
stick.
dare say they are, yes. Anyway, come on, open it up, David.
How do you open
No,
these?
just open the wrapping.
Just sit down back over there,
Yeah.
because I'm about to bring you the big ones. Over.
Computer. Please be a computer.
Please be a computer. Alright, well, let's have a look and see.
How many eggs do I need?
550.
$550.
Alright, now just be patient.